Hey there, YouTube family! Welcome back to e-commerce platforms, the go-to channel for everything related to online business. Today we have an amazing topic in store for you. Get ready because we are diving into the world of gift cards. Trust me, this is a game changer for your sales and conversion rates, so you definitely don't want to miss this out. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notifications bell so you never miss a bit. Now let's get started. To create gift cards, you'll need to log in to your Shopify account. Head over to the Shopify website and enter your credentials to access your admin panel. Now it's time to bring those gift cards to life. Navigate to the Products tab on the left menu and select Gift Cards. Next, click on Add Gift Card Product. Creating a gift card is like creating any other product on Shopify, so start by giving it a catchy title and writing an engaging description. Don't forget to add some stunning images too, because visuals can work wonders. Next up, manage the denominations you'd like to offer. Adding or deleting these denominations is just easy. Quick tip: keep it flexible for customers with different budgets. Like any other product on Shopify, you can also manage the SEO settings for your gift card product. Now that we are done with the creative part, let's start organizing the gift card. Manage the status, sales channels, and markets to reach the right audience in the right places. Next, assess a product type and other essential details to your gift card. Remember to give special emphasis to collections and tags. These two can make it extremely easy for customers to find the gift card. Optionally, assign a template. And just like that, you've created an awesome gift card. Now let's add your gift card to a navigation menu. To do so, click on Navigation under Online Store. Select a menu where you'd like to showcase your gift card. Add a new menu item and give it a name that represents your gift card. Now link this menu item to your gift card page. It's a straightforward process that ensures customers land exactly where they need to be. Now that we've created the gift card, it's time to issue it. Simply visit the Gift Cards tab and click on the Issue Gift Card button. This will open up a new page where you can add details like the gift card code, set the monetary value, and schedule an expiration date. Once you've done this, select a customer who you want to issue the gift card to. Optionally, write any internal notes for your reference. Lastly, click on Activate and Send. Your customer will now receive the gift card via email. To manage your gift cards, visit the Gift Cards tab from the Admin menu and click on View Gift Card Products. This will display a list of all the gift cards. Click on the card that you'd like to edit. You will then be taken to the Details page where you can edit the gift card. It's even possible to archive or delete your gift cards from this page. And that's a wrap! Congratulations on mastering the art of gift cards. You've now got a powerful tool to boost your sales and customer engagement. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Thank you for joining. See you in the next one.